Hello mga mi! Ayan, gagawa tayo ng turkey, beans, and cheese burrito. So, madali lang naman itong gawin guys. Ayan, niluto ko na siya. Pinagsama-sama ko lang yung onions, seasonings, and cheese, at saka kailangan natin ng flour tortilla. So, let me know kung gusto nyo malaman yung recipe. But yeah, masarap to guys. And then, ito na yung finished product guys. Ito, ilalagay ko to sa namin, fridge or freezer, para kung gusto namin burrito. Ayan, ready na. Kaya, ayan, let me know kung gusto nyo malaman yung recipe. Napakasimple lang nito. Kayang-kaya nyong gawin. You can use chicken, beef, or turkey, ground lang na meat. So, yeah, let me know guys. Comment down below.